I'm mid-tidy up, so it's a bad time to illustrate this, but I've got things on wheels as much as possible. I'm doing a little bit more of it. So this thing weighs absolutely massive amount, but on those casters I can wheel it around. And this planer, again, is old-fashioned cast iron. I'm going to put it on this skate, which has got two wheels one end, but then it just sits on the floor the other end, so you can move it like a wheelbarrow. I'll show you another one I've got that works the same way. So this is a thicknesser on a little table, and I've got some doorstop feet that end so it doesn't wobble too much, and then these huge wheels the other end because this thing's quite heavy, and then it drives in and out of this little garagey piece. So hopefully you'll be able to see that 2 wheels is plenty. So just lift one end and then it goes. So things can work like a wheelbarrow, or like a wheelie case, or a trolley or sack barrow. Well, it's on. Bit of a fight obviously because it's a heavy thing, but it's on. Just doing the bolts up now. Usually you'd expect a socket on a ratchet and a stationary spanner, but I've got these to hand, so the only tip here is make sure the holes are plenty big enough for wiggle room, because it's a real fiddle getting it on. So you can see this is parked in really tight there. I should be able to get it out. It's not as easy to move this if it's on 3 or 4, but it's certainly much easier to move than if it was not. So it's definitely a win.